Want to create authentic country music with Suno AI? Whether you're aiming for modern country, classic country, or country pop, Suno AI can help you turn your ideas into original songs in just a few minutes. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create country music in Suno AI in 2026. So let's get started. First, open the official Suno AI website or launch the mobile app, then sign in to your account. Once you're on the dashboard, click or tap the Create button to begin a new project. If you're using Suno AI for the first time, you can create a free account before getting started. Now enter a prompt describing the country song you want to create. Include details like the mood, tempo, instruments, vocal style, and the story behind the song. Mention instruments such as acoustic guitar, fiddle, banjo, or steel guitar if you want a traditional country sound. Yeah, you could try something like a heartfelt modern country song with acoustic guitar, warm male vocals, and lyrics about small-town life and family, if you've written your own lyrics. Enable the custom lyrics option and paste them into the editor. Otherwise, let Suno AI create original lyrics based on your prompt. Using your own lyrics can make your country song feel more personal and unique. Once your prompt and lyrics are ready, click the Generate button. Suno AI will create one or more versions of your country song. Take a moment while your music is being generated. Listen to each version carefully. If you'd like a different sound, update your prompt by changing the instruments, mood, vocal style, or story, then generate another version. Even small prompt adjustments can give your song a completely different country feel. Your completed songs are automatically saved to your library. Depending on your subscription plan, you can also share it with others using a public link or download your music. So, you've successfully created your own country song with Suno AI. And that's how to create country music in Suno AI. By writing detailed prompts, experimenting with different country styles, and refining your lyrics, you can create original AI-generated country songs in just minutes. The more you experiment with your prompts, the more authentic your music will sound. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.